In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view OneDrive memories. This feature is a wonderful way to reminisce about past moments stored in your cloud. Now let's get started on walking you through the entire process, which should only take about 5 minutes. First, you'll want to navigate to the OneDrive homepage. You can do this by opening your favorite web browser and logging into your OneDrive account. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your email address and password to gain access. Once inside, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard that showcases all your stored files and folders. Next, we're going to head over to the settings. You'll find the settings icon at the top right corner of the page. It usually looks like a gear, so it should be relatively easy to spot. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu houses several options for managing your OneDrive account, so feel free to explore them when you have some extra time, but for now, we're sticking to the task at hand. The next step is clicking on Options from the menu that you just opened. This will redirect you to a new page filled with various customization and personalization settings for your OneDrive experience. It might seem a little overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we're going to focus only on the necessities for viewing those precious memories. Once you're on the Options page, look for the Notifications section, click on it, and you'll be taken to a place where you can manage all the notifications you receive from OneDrive. Notifications are a useful way to stay informed about changes and updates to your storage, but there's one particular notification we're interested in today. Now find and click on this day memories are available. This is the feature that highlights past photos and moments, bringing your memories from the cloud back to the foreground. When you select this option, you're basically activating the on this day memory notifications. This feature automatically curates photos and videos taken on the same day in previous years and brings them directly to you. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've set up your OneDrive to show you memories from years past. It's a great way to look back and relive special moments with just a few clicks. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if you ever want to adjust what notifications you receive or explore other features OneDrive offers. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this quick guide helps you make the most out of your OneDrive experience. See you next time.